हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज है मेरे साथ अन्वेषा आंटी। हेलो करो। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक पर डिस्कशन, जो कि सबको पता होना चाहिए।
Menstruation periods.
मेंस्ट्रुएशन एंड पीरियड, ठीक है?
Periods are more important.
पीरियड और वही। तो अनुषा आंटी, तो आई नो यू फ्रॉम 15 to 16 years, तो हो ही गए होंगे हमारे।
Maybe more, yeah.
Maybe more, और एवरेज कह रही हूँ मैं। 15 to 16 years तो हो ही गए होंगे।
Since you're young, yeah.
You are young, more than I know, right?
Me, I'm young. Or you are young.
I am also young, you are also young.
Yeah, you are in class
Both of
3 or
us.
4.
Right. When
Yeah.
we met.
Right, darling.
Right. So how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So now let us start our podcast. ठीक है?
Right.
Yeah, it is not really a podcast. It is a sort
So
of
guys,
discussion.
she's starting her own podcast very soon.
Very soon.
So maybe this is a starting.
Right. So comment down below. Should I chat or not? ठीक है?
Should.
So my first question is Anushka aunty. Do you know about feminism?
Yeah, what? See, feminism is a concept which is very wrongly taken by very men. Feminism is what? Feminism is about equal rights.
Right.
It started after French Revolution, when women started about suffrage movement. Okay, when women got aware of their rights, and it started about giving votes, casting votes. Now we have in India, we have universal adult franchise. What is that? Do you know about that?
Right.
What is that?
Universal adult franchise is giving equal right to all the adults.
Yes, right. That means universal adult franchise is every person above 18 years old, according to our law in India, who are 18 years old, they are considered as adult. So everybody who are adult, they have the right to vote,
Right.
isn't it?
Right.
So at ancient time, like at 1800 century, 1800 century, women in many parts of the world, not only in India, because India was under colonialism. Yes, colonialism and colonial rule of British.
British rule.
Yes.
Right.
So as we know that when we were under colonial rule, so there were different women who were not under colonial rule but were European,
Right.
but they were free to have been educated, to sit in the same table and have dinner and everything, but they have never got the right to vote.
Never ever.
Why vote? Why
Right.
I'm every time calling it important thing? Because when you cannot choose your government, cannot choose your way of living. If you want to live a certain way,
We should have freedom, right?
right. Now your freedom is like, if you are free, then only you are having freedom. First, we were under colonial rule, right?
Right.
Now if you are under colonial rule, for the time being, living this Indian women or South Asian and African and all of the people who are under colonial rule. So let's talk about the people who had their first feminist revolution. It started with women suffrage movement in the French Revolution. Just after French Revolution, women also started recognizing that they are also an important part of the society.
Right.
And they started suffrage movement. If you can go through history, you can do about this. If you ask me, Really, I have forgotten the exact era and the details.
No problem, no problem.
But what I want to specify,
Right.
through that movement, many things came up.
Yes.
What? We were already going through industrial revolution and other things. Society was constantly going on through severely changes. That time, women also got their revolution for casting vote. Casting vote for what? For their, it's a very important step for their movement, for their liberation. That they are also equal half of the whole society apart from men, that they have the right to choose their own government who will rule themselves, right? When we are choosing a government, a democratic government, because democracy came a very late after so many trial and testing, I should say, trial and testing, all the movements and all. Then it came, and there was a constitution which came in front. Then women also got this right. And from France and from other countries of Europe, it spread throughout the world. There came Russian Revolution, there came other countries. There were neo-colonialism, there were other Marxism.
Neo-Marxism, right.
Right.
That's
yeah.
the topic we are talking.
No, we are not
That's
talking
the-
about
the-
no, dear. We are only talking about the time when the feminism rose.
Right.
Now we are coming to modern world.
Modern world.
Right.
We are talking about Asian
Now
time, right?
modern is when, okay, the basic funda of feminism, the basic funda of feminism of having equal rights for equal people, like for every gender.
Right.
Like if you're a man, if you have equal rights to have vote, to have equal pay for equal work,
Equality,
yes,
fraternity,
equal
right.
for everything, for every sphere of
Every
life,
single thing. Huh.
in social, in professional, in economic, in every sphere of life, right?
Right. So,
Like you are a girl,
huh.
you have right to choose about your subjects after 10th or 12th.
10th and 12th, both. Right.
So I cannot force you to choose home science or women related subjects after 12, right? That's women liberation. That's feminism.
No one has right to force a woman, right?
So that's feminism.
Right.
That's feminism. Like some XYZ. I think you have a friend called Jayashree, right? Can you put this camera? Yeah. Say hi.
Huh?
Okay. So she has a friend called Jayashree.
Who is that?
She has a very equal voice.
Guys, if you look,
She is very voicey. Voicey is not a word. I'm just equaling this word. She always raised her voice for the equal rights for all the girls in the college.
of course,
If I am right.
of course, of course, of
Done
course,
it.
you are.
She's done it throughout her
You are
school.
School, college, and
Jayashree
so on and so
Krishnan,
forth, everything.
if you are a person, if she's standing for the
You have,
college election, university election,
you have
please
seen,
guys,
you
vote
have
for
seen her
if
in
she
my
is
channel, right?
sending you any form.
You guys have seen her in my channel, right? बहुत बड़ा
She
शिक है
can
वो.
say hi. She's getting shy. I'm
She's
sorry.
getting shy in the
Okay,
front
but
of
she's very
camera.
sweet. She's very upfront. Here she appears to be too timid. She's not at all timid at all. Ask me.
Ah,
Not she. She's our best friend. She'll never tell it. I know it. Okay. She's like fierce. She's like anything. So vote for her if you're voting for her. I don't know, even she's standing for the voting campaign, but I'm just saying.
right.
But she's fierce.
So
She's fierce.
she feels right. She definitely she feels
Fierce, but she's lovable.
right.
She's huggable. And she's very, very cute. She's sweet. She's very fierce also. Yeah, now come back to our periods and femininity. Okay, now go on.
Now we are going to discuss on Nishanti about the right
tea,
men-
unfortunately.
about menstruation and women rights about menstruation.
Okay, go on.
So, let me ask you, Nishanti, do you know about period poverty?
That's a question. Yes, I do know, but I don't know how to describe about it. This period poverty exists in our country, unfortunately. Period poverty is when you woman having periods, she's not being able to get access to the minimum requirement to have a uh, healthy access to her needs, basic needs like the pad, the sanitary pad, the sanitary napkins, or the tampons or anything within her easy reach or within very limited, within very discounted cost or low cost or cheaper rates. You think about a person who is like below poverty rate. Poverty is a very person who are from America and other countries, they will not understand. People from who are India, they know what is BPL. BPL is below poverty rate. So there are people who are below poverty rate. Many times they cannot even cannot even afford. They cannot even afford a
Like
decent
they send the
sanitary
facilities and all the things.
yes, sanitary
Right.
napkins. At recent times, they're going through very different researches or explorations. Today we have sanitary pads. I'm sorry to say, you are not expecting that we I am. So you are looking at me like that.
No.
So she didn't expect me that I'll say this. Yes, we have sanitary pants today. Sanitary pants are what? Like children. You've
Right.
seen children. They are wearing huggies. It's not like huggies, but if you transform the huggies pants as sanitary pants, like you're wearing like panties, but you have the all the layers like huggies, all the 3, 4, 5 layers of the cotton pads, including the side layers, and it is protecting you from the liquid, the menstruation liquid,
Right.
to spill over, and it will not pollute your panties because these are the panties only, and there are 3, 4
Which will-
layers will absorb
Which will protect you and
no, we are definitely not promoting it. There are definitely
no, this is not a
this is not a promotion.
this is not a promotion or of period panty.
Exactly.
No, not
These
a
are
paid
not
promotion, not anything.
the comfort I felt.
Right.
The comfort I personally felt.
Right.
So it's not promotion. Nothing.
It is not.
Don't use it.
No.
Never use it.
Never.
Until and unless you felt it. Okay. So I felt it good. But yes, there are organic period panties.
Period
also.
panty, right. Huh.
So all depends on your choice. You don't use tampon, use your period cups. Okay, so use whatever you know. Acha, what are period cups? Do you know what are period cups?
I don't know.
So
I
that's a very
don't
important
have
part
any idea.
for this whole podcast. If it is a podcast,
Right.
so we are taking it as a clips or video. Uh, Period cups. Many people know. I know that many girls know about this. Many women know about it. Period cups are silicon cups with just if you have to fold it. There are different ways of to fold it. You also don't know.
I don't.
Jashin, can you come and sit over here?
Right.
So she's another Gen Z.
Meta?
We have two Gen Z. Do you know what about period cups?
Mic. Take the mic.
Do you know about period cups?
ऐसे करना है इसे.
ऐसे.
ऐसे. Okay. They are also called menstrual cups.
Yes.
Yeah, and
What do you know about them?
I don't know much about it, but you kind of insert that thing into your vagina.
And where it does set? Where it is setting?
I don't know about that
How it
much.
is
Yeah.
protecting you?
I feel that it's not advisable for everyone to use it, because it's it has to got to adapt to the individual. It depends on the individual. It doesn't adapt to every individual, and it's also not you know it's not advisable, and it's also, there can be consequences also for some girls.
Like,
Right.
Yeah, because everyone is not, we can't handle that. There is a different handling when we wear sanitary pads, but there is a different handling when we wear menstrual cups.
Okay.
So that different handling, I feel that not everyone can adapt to it.
okay. Now let's come to it. Have you ever used it?
No,
No.
Yeah.
Do you know how to use it?
no, because I haven't used it. I haven't know much about it.
So when you are saying it is not advisable to use that particular thing
Yeah,
as per the thing,
Yeah.
as per the usage actions given the instruction in the whole. I mean, when you sell a thing, there is.
I said it. I said it because my cousin sister have used it.
Okay.
Okay.
So
What is their experience?
they felt uneasy,
Like,
like they felt a bit of burden,
like in what way?
like they felt heavy over there.
How?
That they also never said it openly, and
Okay.
yeah,
Right.
When you are using certain, thank you,
Yeah.
Rashmi, for giving your opinion. So when you are using certain cups or certain things, it's very new. Obviously, it's very new, and I have also seen there are sizes. Are you comfortable?
script.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, when you're using certain things, there are some merits and demerits.
Yeah. Pros and
Everything
cons.
has
Yeah.
some
Pros and cons. Yeah.
pros and cons. Yes,
Yeah.
everything has their pros and cons. What I got, the pros, cons are there. I'm not going for the cons. You can ask me, Auntie, why are you not going for cons? Because cons are like 20%, 30%.
20.
So we are talking about majority. So majority, I'm not going for 80-20. I'm going for 70-30. See, I'm considering your 35%
But
demerits.
yeah, but wait a second. What I have told the points, I feel it's genuine.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
You are genuine.
Yes, I'm genuine about that. Yeah.
Exactly, you are.
And I'm not saying anything like I have saw my sister wearing it. Yeah, so I have that real kind of example.
Consider, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Josh. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
considering that. I am considering that. I'm considering your experience and I'm not denying it. Many, not only your sisters, likewise your sisters, many women have felt their
Yeah.
uneasiness or
Discomfort. Discomfort.
and all.
Yeah.
Okay, so now where to come? Just to mention in a very small way how it works. It like there are different sizes: small, medium, and large and extra large. Now, we always don't know until and unless you use it, you never know your sizes, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Huh.
Right.
So people started using.
Yeah.
Many people are fall for their sizes. They thought that it will be medium when it was large or short. Okay. Now, if it is short, it will overflow.
Mm.
Flow their panty because they are not using any other sanitary napkins underneath,
Yeah.
hoping that it will prevent them.
Yeah, right.
ठीक है? Or if it is not overflowing them, it is getting loose. It is causing a discomfort
Yeah.
around your
So in a short note, you are saying that people are not aware of their sizes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Until and unless when we don't use our undergarments like our bra or panties,
Mm-hmm.
we also don't know.
We experience it. Yeah.
Sometimes, if you are, because you will be the right judges because you are just became women, teenagers
Yeah.
within these 2 3 years. So your size was maybe 34, now become 36. Like, don't don't take it in the other way. I'm
Yeah,
just,
yeah.
telling it. It happens.
Yeah.
It happens.
It's
Suddenly
natural.
you grew out of your size
Yeah.
and become 36. Earlier you were 32. I am talking about the bra sizes, obviously the cup sizes.
So
You
I've
have you
no
feeling
actually
uncomfortably?
no actually I've experienced this. When I was in my 11th, I was like very like thin,
Yeah.
and suddenly in 6 months I grew up so rapidly. I wasn't even recognizing myself that I was me. And in my 12th and today, there has been a drastic change.
Suddenly,
Drastic change.
you start losing your weight, and your size goes down.
Yeah,
reduces.
it happens.
Or
But
the lady
maybe,
beside me
yeah.
suddenly grew out of
But
the size,
it's because,
and her size grew
yeah,
up.
but it's also because we develop a large amount of hormonal change, hormonal disbalance.
change, right.
Disbalance.
So I'm very glad that these ladies are very aware of these hormonal changes and
Disbalance.
the surrounding things. But still, I pardon apologies.
Guys, let me give a disclaimer here.
No.
If you are
These
not,
people, these small people, these are like,
if you are not
College
18 plus, please don't watch this video.
sorry guys, 15 plus can go for through.
15 plus, okay. So if you are not 15
Periods
or
who are suffering to periods and other discomfort regarding what? Okay, let's come to it. I'm very upfront to it.
right,
You're-
you can, can.
It's your podcast.
because मैं जिसको भेजूंगी ये कोई नहीं.
Okay, so we are all on the
Everyone
camera.
understand.
She's
Everyone
giving me the
understand, right.
permission. It's like, okay. So now, before 14 or before 15, also people are there who are going through bodily changes.
Okay, wait a second. I got periods when I was like in my 6th grade, and I was 11 years, barely 11 years.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So just like Jayashree, there are many girls and even boys.
I
who are
got my period when I was in class 8,
13 years old, 14 years old.
13.
Right.
Right.
So now can we progress?
Right.
I think you should let us speak.
So, it's her podcast. You
No, I know. I guess she was like interrupting. So
no, you
Kind
can.
no, not
Because it's
like
about
not in the
people.
between, but after you end, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she can speak, and she's a very important person in our podcast to speak.
Right.
It's her podcast, and she has raised her question. So obviously it's my permission. Can I have the permission?
Of course. It's my channel.
I was only saying that let her complete and then you ask your questions.
No. You both can
I
ask.
am not.
I'm only as a guest.
Okay.
I am not.
Okay,
as you
asking
It's her podcast, and she is her friend. So I'm there.
No, I'm considering myself as a guest, madam.
So we
Okay.
are pulling this podcast more for a longer time. If you have time, pardon me for this. If I'm taking your time. So, but this is a very important question when these both young ladies put forward. They are both are young ladies in their venture of a new world, and they're exploring. Like, there are lots and lots of things to explore. So there is I'm in my 40s. I'll not tell you the exact age. Don't ask. So I'm still find me. I'm sweet 16. younger than them, but I have gray hairs, unfortunately. So sometimes, some very few times they ask me some questions or suggestions, and I'm honored that you have asked me. What I want to see, like about all these things, period is still a taboo in our society. Do you agree?
Right. I
Yeah.
agree. I complete.
Now,
I completely agree.
whether in okay, she is Jayashree Krishnan from South. We both are Bengalis. So
We are Bengali.
from South, they consider us North Indian. So North and South Indians are both agree. There is still a taboo on this topic, on this very topic.
You
Okay,
can comment down your below.
Trying,
views also.
trying to gradually become a Bengali too.
ignore that.
Second castle.
Ignore that. We are also trying to become Tamilians.
I guess not.
I'm trying.
Really?
Anyway, in short, what we are saying that she is asking a lot of question. It's about periods and feminism. Yes, both are related. Why it is both related? First thing you should ask why it is both related. Because we are, as I said, they are taboo regarding. There are there are lots of taboos regarding periods. Uh, when I got my first period, it's a very small thing. My mom got very nervous, literally nervous. Just ran down to my grandmother,
My
and
mother
I was
was-
like, she lost her second. I was in class fifth and was going in sixth. I was 10.5 years old.
My mother was not married.
Her mother was like a millennial. How she could be nervous? But my mother was not a millennial. She was a baby boomer or like Zen X. Zen X or Y. What are the generations? She might be knows it. I am
Whatever for that matter.
They are Gen Z. That much I know. I'm pardoned. They might be Gen X or baby boomers. Come on. Okay, no, they are Gen X. That's not a, okay, Ritisha, I think we have to run this session for two podcasts.
Two podcast. This is part one, guys.
Okay, so now let us go
Le-
through only
and
one
the
thing.
one last question.
No, you have asked about the rights, right?
Right. Yes.
Okay.
Let's discuss it. Then we will.
So,
I
when
think
we
we
are,
will end.
our Indian society is very we are talking about taboos on periods and other things like regarding
video.
to menstruation. Yes, Jesha should stay. No, Jesha should stay
Yeah, she should.
because you are representing some different parts, another parts of the India. We are different parts.
North Indian
And okay, so coming to it, there's a very important tradition in this South India. Okay.
What?
What? Understand? She will tell you. There is a very important tradition when a girl in South India, I don't think so, of all other states, Tamil Nadu, maybe in Kerala, I don't know. You must be knowing. She'll explain. If you kindly take the camera to her, there's a very important
camera to
tradition
her.
when a girl reached her puberty and got her first period, that they celebrate it, and I like that thing. Everybody has many, the neighbors and all, the close relatives, they are being invited for some, what do you say?
Can just have the mic.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can have.
Yeah.
So can you explain?
Yeah. Okay, so there happens a grand celebration after the announcement of a girl's
Having a first
period. Yeah. People are invited, neighbors, close relatives, and
I know about this ritual.
and
Let her explain.
and they also, hold a grand feast. Lunch.
Party. Right. Sort of party.
Lunch or dinner?
No, not sort of party. It's a tradition. It's
The tradition. It's
not a sort of party.
a party.
Yeah.
Have you seen Bodhgara in TVs?
Yes,
in the old movies.
I have seen live.
It's the same like that.
I have seen live.
They worship her, yeah.
Yeah, people worship the girl.
They
Yeah,
give her gifts and
Yeah.
all this.
The girl who gets period.
the girl who attained her
Worship in
periods.
that time of worship, it's like they're happy. Like I'm happy. Like you are. It's your birthday. Suppose it's a your birthday. For example, it's your birthday.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm giving you gifts, but now
Right.
you got extraordinary marks in your exam,
Right.
and you got chances in some higher courses.
Maybe
Whatever. Maybe in Indian NASA or somewhere you got chances, and we're celebrating. Like you should get more things. You should be more fame, more money to the society, to the country, to our society, and to our home. So you are the epitome of our like we are feeling proud of it, right?
Thank you.
So now coming to Jayashree.
Yeah,
So suppose she got period. She is a fruit bearing of our of my kin, my dynasty. Understand?
Right.
My bongsho. Yes.
That is
So that is the thing. Obviously, it has started from a very ancient time.
but you know, I have to say this very clearly that
Now you tell your thoughts.
even though a girl is worshipped on that particular day, after that, whenever the girl, you know, after 1 month, again the cycle, again the cycle is there. You know, the 1 month cycle is there. So again, the next month, the very next month of that month, you leave that month, they are tortured.
Tortured in a way.
In a way that they are put into some very strict and unnecessary restrictions
I have heard
in their own homes, and they are facing directly from their parents.
Have you
only.
faced it?
No, not from my mother, but from my mother's
Progressive.
sisters. Yeah, because my mother,
relative.
my mother shifted to Delhi, and her whole,
Thoughts changed.
because there is an influence.
Yeah, I agree.
You shift a place, you shift from one place to another.
100%.
Yeah, there is an influence.
Yes.
And my father's side is very forward till now. They don't know till now.
But what I observe, I mean, if I can speak
Yeah.
in front of the camera, do you allow me? Speak anything.
Yeah, but I'm very true that
Obviously.
I'm not put into any restrictions for that matter.
No. What I've seen your family, they're very forward. Your father or anybody. I came to your birthday and only one event I
Yeah.
attended, where I found that people are very progressive.
Yeah.
They were drinking together, talking about liberation, talking about jobs and equal pay and equal work.
True.
So in that situation, when I think about that, the woman having after first period and putting into that, as you described, I can't think about it. That's why I'm asking. Is it true?
So you mean that if you had anything described about the periods in front of them,
No.
party.
No,
So-
not party. When I'm talking about with the way I've seen the family, they're very progressive.
Yeah. Yeah.
Advanced and progressive.
Very advanced. Yeah. For this generation. Yeah.
See, in UP and Rajasthan and Haryana, if you go, very few women sit with drinks or in other things with the other men and talk about politics and other things.
Yeah.
Which South and Bengali women and in some part of the world, some parts of in India.
Okay. So let me clear one thing. They are from South. They are South Indians. All are South Indians.
No, I'm talking about Tamils.
Yeah.
They're from Tamil.
No. They are all South Indians, but they have
Even in South, sorry for interruption. Even in South, I know very well that you have your differences.
Yeah, with my relatives.
Everything related, culture related,
Yeah.
fooding related, voting.
No, I love South Indian food. Let me be clear.
I also love it. That doesn't mean that
The problem is not.
like the government you have in Tamil Nadu, same government, the same thoughts of people who are in Kerala, they don't have it, right? Their
Yeah.
way of living is different from
Yeah,
Tamil
yeah, of
Nadu.
course, yeah.
And Karnataka people are different.
Different, yeah,
I'm talking about right now
Tamil Nadu.
concentrating. So talk about Tamil Nadu. Tell me about your tradition.
About my tradition regarding the periods.
What you said just now.
Torturing.
If you describe it as torturing,
Yeah.
how?
I have experienced
How?
real life, in real life.
How?
Can I speak in Hindi if you don't mind? Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Us. Like it would be like
You
I will
can.
be more clear.
Obviously, it's
I will be more clear.
podcast. Sorry guys, it's just a podcast. हम लोग सभी भाषा में बात कर सकते हैं, बट हिंदी और इंग्लिश में तो जरूर बात कर सकते हैं. तो बोलो.
It is a bilingual podcast.
Okay, so
It's a multilingual podcast. We will dub it. हाँ, बोलो.
actually
You can also converse in
no.
तमिल. अभी उसका जवाब नहीं दे सकती हूँ, मुझे देखना पड़ेगा. But I'll try.
I can dub it.
No, debate तभी करेंगे जब समझ पाए.
Okay, just
No, but I want to know her thoughts. बोलो.
मुझे खुद से खाना परोसने नहीं देते थे अपना. अगर मैं परोसती थी खुद का खाना और दूसरों का खाना अगर मैं सर्व करती थी तो वो खाना अशुभ माना जाता था.
तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा भी ऐसे करते नहीं, बाकी लोग करते थे.
बातें लोग. That's what I'm saying. My mama and Baba are very progressive. If Mama would have been alive, then she would also have been progressive.
I understood.
So
Really?
Yeah.
yeah, she's
Just listen. Look, it is really just to show. Ball.
yeah. They treat the food as impure if I touch
These
it.
are very important facts you should accumulate. The topic is very sensitive. Okay. We will interview many women, including a Bengali and yeah. So with time we are interviewing her, Jayashree. So she's a guest and friend and everything.
Friend, not guest.
Guest friend.
I can't serve anyone, and I'm also not allowed to serve myself the food. And if I serve, the food will get impure.
Interesting, but it sounds
You
like
are
conservative.
you are which okay, so and show sympathy or other words or kindness or anything. So don't be opinions. Yeah, I understand, Jayashree. And what else?
Humanity, इंसानियत ही नहीं रहती है.
Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Do you have any question? Any question?
I don't have any.
There are many instances for that matter. This is not the only food factor. There are many instances. Like I'm not allowed to sleep bed mein.
Oh,
Okay. Jayashree, sorry to interrupt you. I've heard this same thing about whatever you said. I have my best friend is a Marwari friend. Yes, Marwari. Now your mother is there, but when I was there in 11th and 12th, there was a person called Neetu, if she is hearing this podcast. So she was there. When I had period, first I don't tell her, but sometimes even if I tell her, she said, "Yeah, आ जाओ ना." I was not allowed to enter the kitchen.
Yeah, same.
Right.
Not allowed.
No,
Not allowed to
she used
enter
to say कि
the
हमारे
kitchen.
ना
it is a taboo in
no they
many
were
parts
they were
Now
pure
also.
they were vegetarian,
right.
pure vegetarian.
I know.
Okay, so उनके
Marwaris are
घर
vegetarian.
so when they prepare the food, it was first prepared for the bhog for their Kanha, the Gopal.
Of course.
Right. So
They often
उसके लिए क्या होता था, like her दादी माँ, like grandmother, paternal grandmother used to say like कि if you are preparing food, then you cannot be a girl with periods. At least within 3 days of
I
periods.
have heard.
Yeah, after 3 days you'll shampoo, then you enter.
Exactly.
And I don't know what is the
I have
logic.
heard this thing in TV serials or
Exactly, and it happens.
not in
The
real
first,
life, not in real
it's very
life,
surprising. In when we were very small,
And what's more shocking that I can't touch anyone.
exactly.
Yeah.
They also used to. She also used to. She, my friend, also never used to touch anyone.
I have-
And when I told her, like, how you tell them to buy the pads, the sanitary pads and the napkins. That time, so advanced pads were not available, like sanitary.
Yeah, I remember your conversation regarding the menstrual cups, but there are also like
You remember kya, after just few
no,
10, 40
I can
minutes,
also remember that there is an alternative if there is an discomfort with regards to the menstrual cup. There are also periods panties. There are exclusive panties. You don't have to put sanitary pads.
see,
on them.
we are
Yeah, there are
we
available in the
interviewing from
markets.
last, I think, 1 hour. So we are talking about 1 hour. So if you can remember, we have talked about tampons, we have talked about period panties, we have talked about
No, but period
menstrual
panties are
cups.
not beneficial.
Yes, they are. I feel.
Yeah,
I
it's
feel
easy
comfortable.
also. It's easy also.
But
no?
what sometimes I feel like I'm not taking chances of period this menstrual cups. Okay.
Okay. I was asking that question. Is it beneficial to wear, or is it like
I have never used it,
Yeah.
but what I heard about from few women of my age, because you people are in your 18s.
I have one of my I have
I am in my
one.
40s. People have used them.
Yes.
And some people have like felt like period क्या होता है? They are asking that. But there are few women who are like overflowing. So we are talking about panties or not. That is a different thing.
Yeah.
We're talking about taboos, and I seriously know that it's a very huge topic. We'll end here. But what I want to say is taboo.
Before
The,
ending,
the taboo, just coming to it, the taboo regarding, as you said, I felt it in that one of my Marwari friend. We cannot touch. She has to sleep on the floor, with some. If there are
And
other
one more
gadda
thing.
and all,
I have
if there
to-
is no gadda, she has to sleep on the floor, means literally on
I
the
have
floor, or using that.
Wait. I have to eat separately also. I can't
Yes.
eat with everyone else.
right.
Even if she eats with everyone, just sit at the corner. So it's better to sit in another room and eat.
Yeah.
like to eat like a maid. So better to sit in no one.
I want
and
to
after
hear.
she has to birth and all that. I know this thing. I have heard, but I never knew that from a person from south also faced that. Thank you, Jayashree. This is yeah, it's a note. And I am very thankful to God that I'm born to a Bengali family. Right.
Right. I am also.
Even if there were restrictions, my parents or ancestors of my parents or some Bengali fighters, social fighters have fought about it, and we are out of it.
Out of
There were okay. Now to give you some assurance, there my nanny and all, they say you have to take this, the bed sheet and all.
Yeah.
They say, but my mother said, छोड़ दो ना, ये सब पुराना बात है. And now when my nanny came, it said, मैंने वही change करता है, तो वही I can imagine that नानी के नानी जो है, she must have been in the same torture as Jayashree. But Bengali women with Rabindranath Tagore, with
One more thing,
Ram,
I had this only
Raja
in
Ram
my
Mohan Rai,
relatives.
Ishchandra Vidyasagar, with all those
Okay,
philosophers.
okay, I have to
they
make this.
came up.
I have to make this clear. I only had this in my relatives' home. At my relatives' home,
She's not
I
facing.
Yeah, I'm not having currently any problem living in Delhi with my pet, with my father. Not having any such kind of problem. I'm living happily, freely, and you know,
Yeah, Jayashree is like she's a very fierce woman. She has her own voice.
and I want to end this podcast or any other discussion with some good quotes that periods are a strength of periods are a sign
Woman.
of strength
Yes,
and
I
not
agree.
a burden of women.
Right.
And
So,
moreover,
if there are some questions bothering, so it's a
And one more
podcast
thing.
of dear Ritisha.
And one
So
more
do
thing.
you have some? She has got some more questions because it's her
Arey, just
podcast.
a little quote.
I don't have.
One more thing.
Let's
Hey, one
go.
second. Red is the color of power. Don't ever try to hide that.
That's right.
Let's.
So Ritisha, do you have any more questions?
I don't. I have questions, but let's take it to part 2. Let's
Okay.
shoot up.
So such a topic. It's a very. I can see.
It's a very
Guys,
fast and-
there are lots of questions. So we can continue to part 2 and part 3. Thank you.